beautiful people, welcome once again to your home decor channel, Mimi's Glam and Designs. Today I have for you an amazing DIY, and it's this wall art that I had in mind for a long time, but finally I was able to put it together, and here's the final result. It's a gorgeous piece, but let me show you guys how did I get here. A list of all the items used on this DIY will be in the description box below with the exact quantities. The first thing we're gonna do is just remove the back of the frames. They come out very easily, and then we do this with all the mirrors. Total of 14 mirrors. This is not an actual mirror, it's like a piece of carton with some sticker on top. So in order to remove the skull, we will be using nail polish remover. Let me tell you what happens to me, guys. So I got the Dollar Tree nail polish remover and it wouldn't come off this paint. So I recommend you to go to Walgreens, that's where I went, or maybe Walmart, and get a different brand so it will come off easily after this. So all I used was cotton, and then I used a paper towel clean just to finalize cleaning the mirror from the ink. Then we're gonna go ahead and grab our green mirrors. So what we do is remove the actual mirror from the green base, and it comes out easily. You can use a knife, but be delicate because these mirrors break easy. Then we proceed to clean the mirrors. I laid everything out on the table so that way it was easier and faster to work with. So what we do is take the little mirrors that we just took off, the green mirrors, and then we're gonna glue it into the carton, the backing of the actual frame. And we repeat that until all the 14 mirrors are glued to the backing of the frames. So I already went ahead and spray painted these frames using this Krylon paint from Walmart, and the color is the brilliant silver. I would recommend you guys to use a sealer or a clear paint, which I didn't do, so then I had to be very careful when maneuvering these frames. After we have all the mirrors ready, we go ahead and add the backing of the frame. And to secure this mirror, we're gonna go ahead and apply hot glue on the back. Then we kind of add a little bit of pressure just so it glues together. Once I have all my mirrors ready with all the backings on, I go ahead and flip them to the other side. I lay them on the table the way I want to glue them. After that, taking glue E6000 or the all fix glue that the Dollar Tree carries, we're gonna go ahead and apply that glue wherever every mirror connects together. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and use these craft sticks, and these are the small ones, not the jumbo ones. And then using my hot glue gun, I go ahead and apply hot glue on every single craft stick, and then glue them where every frame connects. And I repeat these until all the frames are connected together. Then I went ahead and trimmed one of these foam boards. I'm using a black one so it doesn't show. I just trim it exactly to the sides of where the mirrors meet, not anything extra that it will show out of the mirror frames. Then using hot glue and E6000 at the same time, I go ahead and place it on top, gluing that into the frame. So I let that settle for like half an hour, and then I went ahead and flipped the whole frame. And at this point, I added 3 extra mirrors on top. And again, these frames are not gonna touch all the way the other frames. So you gotta search for the spots where every mirror or frame meets. And then you're gonna add your glue E6000, and then that's where it's gonna glue. So we do this with all the mirrors that are gonna be on the top, covering the black foam board. As you guys see here, I went ahead and added an extra 3 mirrors because it was kind of small for the space that I wanted it. So I miscalculated, but here's how beautiful it came out. I absolutely adore this piece. And my inspiration of making this beautiful wall art, it was this company called William Wood Mirrors that I came across on Instagram. But the one that I actually liked was like 300 euros. So I wasn't gonna pay that much money, obviously. So when I saw these mirrors at the Dollar Tree, I thought they have the same Baroque style, and I absolutely love them. So I thought it was a great idea just to recreate the look. And also, it was only $35, so I was able to make this beautiful piece and refresh my living room with only $35. That's a great deal. And this also reminds me of one of the pieces from Eldorado Furniture or Z Gallery. But I would like to hear from you guys. What do you think of this DIY? Did it come out amazing? I mean, just leave your comments below and I want to hear what you guys think. And for those of you that are subscribers already, I really appreciate your loyalty into my channel. Thank you very much for the love and the support. And for those of you that are not subscribed yet, I would love to have you part of the family. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell button to get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you all for watching. Have a blessed day and enjoy your Saturday. Ciao.